think football is about skill or pure power? What if Messi and Ronaldo were electronic components? Let's build them. Lionel Messi doesn't waste energy. He calculates every move. Low power, high intelligence, perfect timing. Ronaldo is different. He explodes with energy. High current, maximum output. Power without control. It's chaos. Control or power. Brain or strength. So tell me, are you team processor or team power? I think Messi would be a processor, or maybe an Arduino. And Ronaldo, definitely a MOSFET, pure power and explosive output.